Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nafaris bin Ma'asid, and I will present about my assignment, which is material for sport equipment. The sport equipment that I choose is hockey stick. There are various types of hockey stick that have been used in hockey sport. Hockey sport also a sport that playable for all people from all ages level. The reason I choose this sport equipment because I love this sport, and as a player I enjoy playing this sport. Next is requirement for the structure of a hockey stick. The length of hockey stick must be 35 inches to 39 inches, and the weight of a hockey stick need to be less than 737 grams because it is the maximum weight that permitted by the International Hockey Federation. Third, the composition of a hockey stick must be made of suitable material and approved material. And the last requirement is bow type of the hockey stick. The hockey stick has different bow type, depends on the player's need. The material suggestion for a hockey stick is the combination of carbon fiber, fiberglass, and aramid. Next is the reason why I choose this material. I choose carbon fiber because it is a durable and stiff compound that can add stiffness and power to a field hockey stick. Put simply, the higher the carbon percentage in a hockey stick, it translated to the greater the power output. Fiberglass and aramid is used as a reinforcing material to add durability and strength. Fiberglass and aramid can also add on element of power when it used by itself, but when used in combination with carbon, it works as a reinforcement. Next is the most important criteria that the material should meet. The most important criteria is the durability. A hockey stick need to be durable because hockey sport involving the high force and power transfer to the hockey stick, as the player need to hit the ball when making a pass and scoring goal. Durability of a hockey stick also make the hockey stick to last longer. This material are clearly met this criteria compared to the wood material that easy to break apart. Next is material focus in future sport equipment. First is carbon braiding technology. Carbon braiding technology is the newest technology to produce a hockey stick. This technology is still new, so among hundreds hockey stick manufacturers, only one that have used this technology to produce their stick. Carbon braiding process is where the carbon fiber is braided to form the shape of hockey stick using the braiding machine. This technology produce more durable hockey stick as it involving a precise process when running the braiding machine. The process of making hockey stick using this technology is shown in this video. Second is different bow of the hockey stick. This material is suitable to create different bow type of hockey stick. Each type of bow will give different feels and control towards the player when they are playing hockey. Here are the variation of bow type of the hockey stick. If using wood material, the manufacturer are not able to create this type of bow. That's all from me. Thank you, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.